Hello everyone, today we're going to be going to a Amazon bin store where they have lots and lots of returns for you to buy at one price. So today I went on $10 day, which is the most expensive day. It goes down every day after that. During each day of the week it goes down by $1 or $2 until they end up at about 50 cents an item. So I had to go and do a voiceover today because there was music playing in the background, which I'm sure was copyrighted, and it was quite loud. So I'm just going to show you some of the things that I ran into here. And this was a dinosaur costume, and the dinosaur costume goes for quite a lot of money. It's one of these inflatable ones, has a little fan actually built into it. And those things can go anywhere from $70 to $80. Unfortunately, when I got this one home, I found out that there was some damage. It had been worn before, and there was damage, which I couldn't see through the package. So that was kind of a wash for me there. You know, lesson learned on that one. Always open up the packages if you can. So I keep going through more and more items. You just kind of keep going through them and seeing what you can find. Here we found a Panasonic. I thought it was Panasonic at first, but it's Panasonic. It was like a coffee maker, or a milk frother, and we wanted to see if there was anything good inside there, making sure that everything was in good working order. And it did turn out that it was used. It was returned because, well, I'm not sure why it was returned, but it had been used, and it had been used quite a lot. The inside was really dirty, and so I didn't really want to put the time into trying to clean it up in hopes that it actually worked, because I figured they probably returned it for a reason. So this is the Panasonic milk frother. It looked like a good deal. The box looked really good and everything, so I'm not sure what happened with this one, but you do have to check them out pretty carefully before you buy anything, especially if it's an expensive day. If it was 50-cent day, I probably would have just put it in my bag and gone on with it, but I'm pretty sure this wouldn't be around. You might be able to part this out and it'll sell, different parts separately. I've tried selling these before as new. It's a Furminator brush, and for dogs and cats, I suppose. And they work really well, and they sell really well, but I got a strike against me because I was selling it, and they claimed it was counterfeit. And I know it's not counterfeit. It's just that they want to be the only ones to sell them. They have a exclusive right to sell them, I suppose. But anyway, I had one, and it's new, so I guess I could try and sell it as used and see what happens. Then I just kind of plowed through some other items here. This thing was just kind of heavy. It just said it was like an exercise thing. I wasn't exactly sure what was in there. And then I came into a camera lens kit. The camera lens kit looked pretty promising, I thought. I don't know that, at $10, if I could have bought it at something like on $3 day, I probably would have gone for it, but it was just too much here. So I did end up with some pretty good finds here. I found a few Halloween costumes that might have been, they would be worth selling. You have to be able to, on eBay, I believe, try to triple your money in order to have enough to bank for the next time you want to go to the store like this. But I do recommend these places, but you just have to be very cautious on what you're buying, because these things were returned. Some of them are returned new, like all these pretzels here. I don't believe that the pretzels were returned. They probably were either expired or going to expire very soon. I think they actually had expired. So, hey, there's your trip to the Amazon return store. If you like this kind of video and want to see more things like this, let me know. I'd be happy to answer your questions in the bottom and put out more content in a similar fashion. Thanks for watching, everyone.